All right, this is Howard Leslie, the movie maker God spoke to. I'm back with my national conversation. Prime Minister, I'm sorry, but before you leave office, please change the national motto of Jamaica. We are not many people out of one. We are one out of many people, first and foremost, and we want to move forward intelligently. This is a time of change in the nation. A lot of things are changing, not just the laws, but a lot of mindsets and a lot of ways that we do live life in Jamaica is being challenged by technology and new information. Now the children know that we are one first, and then we become individuals. I'm in the streets of Jamaica right now, talking to the elders, talking to the Rastas.
Asian.
Listen, Rasta, what do you think about the national motto and changing it from out of many, we are one, to out of one, we are many? Rasta Wiji.
Blessed love, give thanks and praise. Well, this is Fourth World. Yeah, so the people want to get the Fourth World production, company, movements. You know, it's all in one. Yeah, from the first world to second world to the third world right now, and in the fourth world, they're talking about the third and fourth generation.
You see,
people want to know where they're from.
Yes.
Everything is from one. Just like how the man took one of the man's ribs and make the woman, everything was from one. So right now, every nation is from black people.
Mm-hmm.
And what they want to realize that the black man is the first man and put himself in the lead. He have to stay in the lead because everyone is going at him. Black man is praising everyone God. Who is praising black man God? Black man got to know himself and know where he stand. Know he that he is the first man. Know the Almighty.
Yes.
He is the creator. Don't talk about God, Lord, and Jesus in our time. God, Lord, and Jesus, all those are Baal, idol, graven image, statue. So the people are praising idol, Baal, graven image, and statue. I want you to realize the fourth world. Don't praise no graven image. Don't praise no statue. Don't praise no Baal. Don't praise no idol. In this time, righteousness live on like nature. Nature, think about nature.
Yes, yes.
One love.
Yes.
One perfect love.
Yes.
Said I.